Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel, and in this video we gonna talk about 5 feature of Instagram that you must know in 2023. So watch this video till end. Let's start the video without any delay. So on the time of uploading a story, most of you long press the shutter button to record videos. So instead of doing that, tap on this downwards arrow and turn on this hands-free button. And now when you record your long type videos for stories, you can record it with just a single tap. So if you spend lots of time on Instagram and your daily data get exhausted and you want to save your data, then follow these steps. Tap on your profile, tap on this menu button, open settings, go to accounts, tap on mobile data use and enable data saver mode, and there you go. Now you can hide a post in spite of deleting it. To hide a post, select the post, tap on this 3 dot option and select this archive option. Now to unhide that post, tap on this menu button, select archive, tap here and select post archive, and now select that post. Again tap on this 3 dot option and tap on show on profile. So if you want to remember to read a message later, you can mark it as unread. To enable this, long tap on chat and simply mark as unread. So your last sent message will be marked as unread. Remember, mark as unread will only take effect on your end. So if you want to download any reel without any third-party application, then this trick will be useful to you. Open the reel which you want to download, share it to your stories, zoom it, tap on this 3 button option and tap on save it. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.